Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will improve our English by practicing speaking and listening to complete a dictation exercise. To start the lesson, we will say some sentences aloud to help you get used to the new words. Listen carefully, then repeat. Try to say the words and sounds just like you hear them. Listen.
The weather becomes strange, and people in the small village are very nervous.
Repeat. Listen.
It rained heavily last night and many crops were damaged.
Repeat. Listen.
After the storm, people said the weather was not normal anymore.
Repeat. Listen.
The little stream rises quickly and turns into a big river.
Repeat. Listen.
Our fields were flooded after the long winter storm.
Repeat. Listen.
The flood does not reach the houses, but everyone stays careful.
Repeat. Listen.
A bridge broke when the strong current hit it suddenly.
Repeat. Listen.
The stone gate at the market is nearly 100 years old.
Repeat. Listen.
Heavy rain made the fields flooded for many days.
Repeat. Listen.
People say the village will never be the same after the flood.
Repeat. Listen.
Wind sometimes blows away the roofs of small houses.
Repeat. Listen.
Wildfires create big problems for animals trying to escape the flames.
Repeat. Great job, your pronunciation is getting better. In the next part, you will hear a text and complete the blanks. The text will be read only once.
Last year, the weather in our village changed a lot. Some days were very hot, and some days had sudden rain. People in the village felt worried because it was not normal. Farmers were afraid their crops would be damaged. Parents told their children not to play near the stream because the water was getting higher. Even though many people felt nervous when winter came, no one thought the little stream could cause big problems. One day, it rained heavily and the little stream near our house became a big river. It burst its banks and the fields all round were soon flooded. Luckily, the water did not reach any of the houses. But the river with its fierce current swept away the beautiful wooden bridge. The bridge was more than 100 years old and we were sorry to lose it. We are building a new one now, but it will never be the same.
Let's look at the answers together. Correct your work and take note of any mistakes.
Thanks for learning with me today. Remember, consistency is the key. Study a little every day. Your effort today is an investment in your future. Keep learning and I'll see you in the next lesson. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.